You think those software issues can wait? They might just cost you a client and $250K in revenue. This isn't just a tech headache, it's a financial landmine that can sink your whole operation. In this video, we'll dig into the real fallout from ignoring your technical debt. Technical debt is the choice between quick wins and a future mess. Many founders think they can just push it aside until they're bigger, but that's a recipe for disaster. Look at Instacart's experience. They rushed their launch to grab market share, only to face significant scaling issues that required over $2 million in rework and additional cash later. This kind of oversight is not uncommon. For instance, Airbnb initially neglected its technical infrastructure and ended up spending $1.5 million to fix problems that arose from their rapid expansion. This is the kind of decision we wrestle with weekly at GotYourTech.ai. When to tackle technical debt can make or break you. Ignore it, and you'll find yourself in a tight spot when you can least afford it. Remember, companies like Notion have faced similar challenges, where they had to allocate $300 to address technical issues that could have been prevented with better foresight. Additionally, consider the case of Stripe, which had to invest $1 million in technical debt remediation after experiencing outages that affected their payment processing. The lesson here: procrastination in addressing technical debt often leads to far greater costs down the line, potentially costing you your competitive edge and customer trust. If you want to get a grip on technical debt, don't just shove it to the back burner while you chase new features. Treat that debt with the same urgency. Keep tabs on it and document everything so it doesn't get out of hand. I've seen companies like Slack manage this tightrope walk, and it pays off with smoother operations and happier users. For instance, Slack invested $500 in refactoring its codebase, which led to a 30% increase in performance and a significant reduction in user complaints. But let's be real, if you're a non-technical founder, navigating this can be a minefield. That's where GotYourTech.ai comes in. We help founders like you dodge the landmines and make smart calls. Our tailored approach has helped startups save an average of $200 by implementing proactive technical debt management strategies. For example, we recently assisted a SaaS startup in identifying $150K of avoidable costs by addressing their technical debt early. We provide the tools and insights you need to prioritize your technical debt effectively. By leveraging our expertise, you can focus on growth without the constant worry of hidden costs lurking in your software. Remember, addressing your technical debt today can lead to a more robust platform tomorrow, setting you up for sustained success. If you're ignoring your technical debt, you're just asking for trouble down the road. Don't wait until it's a crisis to get help. Figure out how to tackle it now, and you'll save yourself a boatload of time and cash later. If you want straightforward advice on this, go to GotYourTech.ai. They've got guidance tailored for the unique mess your startup might be in.